Hey guys, look what we have got, another product for unboxing and for reviewing. Let's open it up. So this is something that we have got from Flipkart during its big billion days sale. Okay, and let's see what you guys see in this video. Okay, man, let's open up. Okay, so it's packed quite nicely this time from Flipkart, because most of the time most of the products that I have ordered from Flipkart aren't packed this nicely. Okay, and here it is. Here you get to see, and here you get an extra battery. Okay, this is a button cell. This is Maono microphone. Okay, video shooting, presentation, interview, selfie. Box looks quite old, seems it has been used or not. So it is a Lavalier mic which can be used for PC and all. See, this is how nicely it is packed. Looks premium. I like the quality. You don't get anything on back. Boya Omnidirectional mic, La Samsung Prime. This is what it is written from here, but it gives a premium look. Inside, if you see, you get one Maono 7 basic pro tips from Maono using microphone, like how you should be using it and all such things. Here you get a specification. Here you get 100% 10% discount vouchers. So I don't think it is of any use. Here you get a premium case from Maono. This is really good. I mean, it's better than the one I have seen from Boya. Okay, and here you get the long wire. Yes, the long wire. This you get the strap, so you can keep it in this way. And let's see, this is the button cell has been folded, so you get an extra battery, and one battery, I think it is in the, so this is the microphone. Okay, this is the foam, and this is 6.5 mm holder, and this is 3.5 mm jack. It also looks good, quite good, premium in quality. Okay, there you get a clip which you'll be posting. This clip is quite, quite tight. Here it is, this which you are looking to see, even I am. This is the on and off button you get here. This is quite premium look, I must say. If you'll open it up, let me open it up for you guys. If you open it up, and I think there's a battery already inserted. Okay, so this battery is already inserted in this. Okay, so I just have to check it. Okay, so hey guys, can you hear me? Welcome to Pro News Zone, and in this session I will giving me a good result and good sound. I have to check it out. Once I use. Okay, hope you guys will like this video and will share and subscribe the channel, the tech section of Pro News Zone. Thank you.